Hi, I'm Huntington Councilman Mark Cuthbertson, and I'm here with my colleague Joan Sergel, Councilwoman Sergel, and we're here with Pastor Dan at Huntington Assembly of God, and he has told us and taken us through the great work that they're doing here, giving hot meals to the community, and it is some process. It smells wonderful, but can you take us through what you're doing day to day and some of the businesses that you're working with here? It's just, it's mind-blowing how much is going on.
For sure. The first thing we want to say is that we're all in this together. So all the businesses and the town, we're kind of working together to feed as many people as possible. And so what happens is that people come in through our 14th Street exit, they wrap around our little roundabout, and they just simply say, how many people in your family? They can say 5, 10, however many it is, and we just give them the food. We partnered with Helping Hands Rescue Mission, Friends of Huntington Station Latin Quarter, HSLQ, and our church to provide meals, full meals to the community. And so up to this point, we've done 6,317 meals, and we look to get close to 10,000 within the next 2 weeks, definitely. We're serving about 720 meals every time we do it on a Wednesday and a Friday, starting at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And so we partner with our volunteers from our church. They come in early, they cut up salads. We give some salad, we give meat and rice and beans today from Pancho Villa's is today, rice and beans. And then we have meat. But we also partnered with Giuseppe's Pizzeria, Mama Lucia's Pizzeria. We've also partnered with Carol's Kitchen and Zin Burger, who provided a lot of meat for us. And we're meeting the needs of the community that continues to rise.
I'm telling you, I wish there was smell-o-vision, that you could smell this meat. It smells so good here.
It smells delicious.
This is not, a cheap meal. It's prepared with love, and great work goes into it, and it smells great. So
Right.
it must be a real treat for people to get this and have that load taken off their shoulders to prepare a meal today. So many people out there working hard or can't get access to food, and you're meeting the need right here in the heart of Huntington Station.
We're trying to do our very best, yes.
Pastor Dan, for those who may not know, can you please let our viewers know your location, your address, please?
Sure. My name is Dan Rivera, the pastor here at Huntington Assembly of God. We're on 1700 New York Avenue, next to the Checkers, across from the Domino's Pizza. That's kind of where everybody gets us. That's where we are, 1700 New York Avenue. And we're called to love and serve every community, every culture, and every corner.
Amen.
Amen. God bless you, and thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.